everyone, welcome back. So today is Wednesday, and if you guys saw my video from yesterday, you could see that I was just having a rough time, and I honestly, I feel so much better today. So thank you guys so much for all of your sweet comments on that video, because yeah, I just, you know, we all go through stuff. So I just wanted to voice that. So one of the things that I need to do is clean my room, and also I have to film 2 videos with everything that I thrifted while I was in Georgia and Illinois. I have so much stuff I literally brought home. I'll show you guys when I go in there. I brought home a huge suitcase filled with just thrifted stuff, which is absolutely insane. But I need to do a video where I try on all that stuff, and then I need to do laundry with all that because it hasn't been cleaned yet. So I have a full day ahead of me, which I'm excited about. I just ate my avocado toast and coffee. The avocado toast was actually so good. I got that bread yesterday from Sprouts. It was like a honey wheat or honey, I don't remember what it's called, but it was gluten-free, and it honestly did not taste gluten-free, which I am really confused about. It tasted like a regular piece of bread, so I'm definitely gonna get that in the future. It was really good. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, take a shower, get ready, and then I'm gonna start on my room and get that cleaned, and then I can have, you know, a clean space to start filming. I literally just caught it. That was so terrifying. Okay, so this is what my room currently looks like at the moment, and it's not like awful, it's just, you know. I brought 2 suitcases with me, so I have this one that's like almost unpacked, and then this is the guy that I was talking about with literally all of this is stuff that I thrifted. Like, this is just becoming a problem. Thankfully, this is my job, so like it's justifiable, but this is just insane. So I have like 5 bags. I wanted to keep them in bags because they're all from different trips, so I wanted to keep them organized, and plus they're not washed, so I wanted to, like, you know, keep them concealed. I'm really excited to do the haul and get these washed. Then I also, you know, I need to do a quick little cleanup of all this. Cleaned up a little bit, and I'm gonna start filming now, and then I'll finish the rest of the room after I'm done filming, but I don't want to lose the sunlight, so I'm gonna take a break, film, and then finish off my room. It's looking good so far. I'm feeling good. Okay, so I just got done filming my first video, and I needed a snack before I film the next one, so I'm gonna cut up an apple and have some peanut butter with it. This used to be like my go-to snack, and I just have not made it in a really long time. That is so satisfying. Anybody else, I just love that. And I do really prefer the organic peanut butter over like Jiffy. I don't know, I just like the texture of it better and the taste. So actually I love peanut butter, so we're gonna add a little extra here. It's just so good. I actually have to drop something off at the post office. I think I said that in yesterday's video. Sorry, do I have it like all over my face? Hold up. I think I said this in yesterday's video, but I have 2 packages to drop off, and I just couldn't find one of those like mailbox things that are just blue. What are they called? I actually kind of forgot to look out for them. It's just really annoying when you have a package to send out and you just like keep avoiding it. But anyways, okay, I'm gonna eat this and then we're gonna go find the freaking mailbox thing. All right, so I just want to show you guys my clean room. It is nighttime, so I closed the shades. And I also put these little pictures up on the wall. If you guys see my newest video that I posted, I got this from the Goodwill outlet, and I just ripped off some of my favorite pages and just put it up there. I don't know if it's gonna actually stay like this, but that's there for now. I kind of wanted something up on the walls. I didn't actually end up filming my second video, so that's everything that I'm gonna be filming tomorrow. Okay, so now I'm gonna start prepping the lasagna. Madeline's gonna be home pretty soon, but I'm just gonna start cutting up this onion and we're gonna put it together when she gets here. This meal is one of our favorites that we've made before, so yeah, I'll leave like the recipe that we use down below if you guys wanna do it as well. It's a great meal that you can just kind of throw together, but it's really tasty. So yeah, I'm gonna just cut up some of this onion. Okay, so normally what we do, we usually do like medallions. Wait, what is that called? Like usually
coins. I forgot about
coins. Yeah, we can honestly probably just like layer these. I don't know.
Yeah, if we're not.
Maybe layer most of them and then do some spinnings. Yeah, they're like rolled. So like we put the stuff in the middle and then we would like roll it. Oh my gosh, she's really heavy. Feel that.
Do you need to like
present it? All right, let's put her in. I don't know how long it goes in for, but maybe like 20 minutes.
How about just until the bread's done?
Oh yeah, Madeline's making some bread. Wait, where'd it go? Banana bread.
Yep.
Stir, stir, stir. Sorry, this is probably your favorite part, and I'm just doing this.
Yeah,
I'll let you do that.
That's
the best part.
Why I like to
Okay, we're gonna do a quick little taste test here. Approved. Well, I think I'm gonna end off this vlog, so hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I don't know, we're gonna go find a movie to watch or something. Leave us suggestions down below of what movies or shows you guys are watching, because we have every single platform of like movie streaming. We have Disney Plus, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, Hulu. But yeah, we don't know what to watch. So yeah, let us know your guys' favorite shows that you guys are watching currently. See you guys later. Bye.